Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission or lesson today, vertex form for a quadratic equation or function. Now we will learn how to graph each function here, but each function here is written in vertex form. As you know before, we learned what is the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is a multiply x squared plus bx plus c. This is called the standard form. Yes, this is standard form. Okay, and today I will introduce for you vertex form. Okay, first of all, you have to know what is the vertex form, and you have to memorize it, my dear student. It is when f of x equal a multiply x, okay, minus h square plus k. This is k. And my dear student, I don't like it. I have to erase it and rewrite it. Okay. Okay. Now, h and k is the vertex for the graph. So the vertex for the graph is h and k. And you have to know h represent how many steps to the right or to the left the parent will move or the graph will move. And k, it is how many steps the graph will move up or down. Okay, so what we call this again? Yes, it is a vertex form. Are you happy with that? Okay, so what we learned from this part, we learned that h moved or let the graph move left or right. Okay, and k let the graph move up or down. Okay, let us start. So I will start with this function, my dear student. Okay, and as you see here, there is only k. Yes, there is only k. That means you have to move the parent. How up or down? Yes, up. How many steps? Yes, 5. Are you happy with that? So if I want to graph f of x equal x squared plus 5, okay, you just draw the parent. This is the parent, okay, and actually you will move the parent. I will draw the parent here. Okay, this is the parent, and okay, let me fix. I have idea. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the parent, my dear student, was here, yes? Okay, so your mission to move the parent, how many steps, my dear student? 5 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I graph f of x, okay, equal x squared plus 5. Are you happy with that? Me too. If you don't believe me, see. It is x squared plus 5. See? Okay. Are you happy with that? Me too. Let us come back here to write the vertex and the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. So the vertex is this point. No, I need another color. This point. okay, and this point this point actually doesn't move left or right, so it is 0, but it moved up 5 steps up. This is the vertex, and the axis of symmetry, as you see, my dear student, let me erase this, not this, this, actually, okay, please, 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 okay, I'm where I am here, yes, okay, so I will erase this, not this, this, okay, okay, and I will explain what is the axis of symmetry or the vertical, yes, the vertical asymptote, okay. Now see here, the axis of symmetry actually, okay. So here, this axis, it is the axis of symmetry, and all of time it is taken from here. So what you have to write, you write x all of time, x equal, yes, this guy, okay. And the axis of symmetry, the line that cut the graph into symmetric parts or identical parts. As you see, this part and this part are identical or matching. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, let us go and graph the other one. Remember, this is the what? The vertex form for quadratic equation. You have to memorize it. I'm enough from it. Now I will move to graph this one. And actually I don't need this also, because I need to graph here. I don't like to go up and down to waste time. Now this, number 6. See, I need to write the vertex. Who can tell me the vertex form? Yes, f of x equal a, this is the leading coefficient, okay, x minus h all squared plus k. As you see here, there is no k here, k whatsoever. So I don't go up or down, but I have h here. And h here, it is equal to. That means I have to move to the right 2 steps. So I'll draw the graph like this. Okay. And draw the parent here because I need to move it. Move it, yes. Here I will take it. Okay, let me grade this thing. It is 1, 2. So the parent actually was here, okay, and because this equation, this one, okay, x negative 2, the h equal 2, it's asked me to move 2 steps to the right. That means if it is negative, teacher, I have to move to the right, yes, okay, okay, are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, let us move to the last one. No, I don't need to erase this. Okay, if you don't believe me again, okay, I will graph it by using this program. X negative 2, and actually it has a square here. Okay, yes, that's it. See, and the vertex is, see, this is the vertex, 2 and 0, because I move to the right 2 steps, but I don't move up or down. Because of that, the y is 0. Are you happy with that? Me too. Let us move to the last one. Here. The h is -4. Teacher, it is not -4. No, it is negative. It was like this. See? It was negative x -4. Because of that, you move to the left if you have a positive here. Okay, my dear student? Okay, so the h is -4 and the k is 1. That means I need to move to the left 4 steps and up 1 step. Let us try to graph it. This is the x and the y coordinate. Okay. No, no, thank you. Okay. Okay. Now this is my parent. Okay. And as you see here, my dear student, a is -2. That's mean the parent, it is flipped downward, and not only flipped, and will be narrower. Yes, this is the parent, for example. It will be narrower, for example. Okay, it will be narrower like this, because we know that if the 2 here, if the lead coefficient more than 1, it will be narrower. If it is negative, flip it. Don't think about it. Okay, so teacher, I will draw it like this. Okay, narrower than the parent. Okay, now so I will count 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move up 1 step. So it will be, yes, here. So I will take my graph and do like this. Okay. Okay. Now what is the vertex for this? Clearly it is -4, because I move 4 steps to the left and I jump up 1 step, or move up, or throw up, whatever. So this is the vertex. And who can tell me what is the axis of symmetry? Yes, bravo. The axis of symmetry is, no, not 4. It is x equal -4. And actually, if you want to graph it, see, have to graph the axis of symmetry like this. The line that cut the graph into 2 equal parts. Are you happy with that? You see? And you write x equal -4. Don't ask me why we write -4, not 4. Every time actually I take the axis of symmetry from here, but you add x equal. So don't say anything. If you don't believe me, I will write this. Okay, here. Here we have +4, and here the lead coefficient, it is -2, and the k, yes, equal 1. See, this is the graph. See, it is moved 4 steps to the left, and sorry, yes, thank you. See, are you happy with that? Me too. So I hope you learned how to graph a quadratic function in vertex form. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, my dear students.